Coaches, as always, if your subs in midfield, they're not there, we are not subbing.
Hey, these guys end up winning the quarterfinal right now. 2-1.
So they gotta go tomorrow?
8:30. What up, Isabel?
Hey, look at the big gap before me. Drew, let's go.
Up! Come on, Emma! Up!
Yeah. Hey, drop a little. I don't want that gap to form over here too much, right?
Up! Okay. Kira. Up, Gigi, Emma! Isabel, where the ref is, higher. 42 is you. Gigi, Emma, one in front, one behind.
She's always with them. Like right now, she's free. One of you with them.
Side, G. Keep it there. Good, Kate. Play, Kate. Stop. Jesse. Good. Tyler, hit.
Good.
Take the shot, Kyla. Stop. Entra. Stop. Dale, Katia. Isabel, right here. Isabel, right there. Zozo, stay with your man. Katia, presiona. Jesse, pick up one of those men. Jesse, to your right. 38 is you, Kyla. Ash, that's you. Gigi, in front. Up, Emma. Hard, Emma, good. Katia, let's go. Good, Kira. Good idea, Kira. Tuck it out, Isabel. Now we don't have it. Tuck it. Zozo, drop. Isabel, right there in front of you. Right there. Emma, higher. Gigi, drop off. Keep it. Up, G. Can we switch? Good. That's you. Come on, Jesse. Go, Zo, go.
Hey, watch the run.
That's you. Hard. Good, Isabel. Isabel, right there.
What do you have?
That's you, Zo. Zo, don't stop. That's you, Emma. Zo, don't stop.
If she drops in here, quickly just make the run. Make it easy for her.
Kyla, we gotta be, let's go, let's get it going. Jesse!
Hey, go on your back. Go on your option. MJ.
Jesse, let's go!
What? Yeah, one
Control it.
There's one here, right? Even without two.
Okay, let's go! Isabel, tuck in. We don't have it now. Emma, you're flat! Isabel, tuck in. Now, good, Emma! Go, Zo! On the way, Zozo! Hard post! Finish! Hey, keep playing. It's not good enough right now. Good, Zo. Good, Katya. Hey! Keep pressuring, attacking. Let's go. We gotta combine better. Open up the field. Keep the ball. Dale, Katya. Up! Go, Isabel. Isabel, high. Who's your man? To your left, Isabel. 42. Go, Zo! Get in, Katya!
Tighter, MJ.
That's you. Don't let it go out. Don't let it go out. Come on, G. Wake up. Isabel, just drop that. Now, clean it up, G. Up. Oh, my God.
Yeah, let's move. How can we help?
Up.
Gia, shift.
Three, G.
Gia.
Jesse, you gotta wake up. Make somebody up tight in the box. Katya, stay at the house. Get out! ¡No, Katya!
Behind.
Dale, Katya, se le fue, dale. Se le fue, dale. Gigi, this is not good enough. It led to a corner for no reason. Up! Up! Okay, go, Ash. That's you. Good. Go, Isabel. Excellent, Isabel. Go, Zo. Go, Katya. Go, Zozo. Go. Go.
Ben. You have time.
Katya, to your left.
Gia, higher in the space.
That's us, G. Control it.
Gia, we gotta wake up. Gia, you're not coming or you're not going. We need you to decide what you're gonna do and be confident. Gabby, you ready?
Good, Ash. Go, Ash. Press. Good. Hey, Kyla, just good, better first touch and keep the ball. Too sloppy. Mira, drop. You don't have the ball. Okay. That's us. Double team, Isabel. Double team, Zo. Double team, Ash. Dale, que te lleva tú. Just get in. Kira, help.
Hey, did you see your other option though? Just make sure we see both options. I like that ball. That was great. But Lala's open.
Harper, pay attention. Don't come out until you read it first. Katya, go to the house.
Hey, Drew, MJ, one in front, one behind. If there's a punt, Drew, you win that ball, you drop.
Out! Yeah, hot. Katya!
Good ass, that's right.
Quickly, Harper, Katya!
Drop more. She has a big punt. Drop more. Drop more. Read the game.
That's you.
Good, Nia. Turn!
Go. Go, G. Go, Jesse.
Right?
Jesse. Gigi, let's go. Too easy,
She has a big
Gigi.
punt. Drop more. Nia will be the first to win it.
Good, Kira. Good, Kira. Jesse, stay central. Come on. Good, Kyla. Go. Tuya, Katya, entra. Shoot it, Kira. Go. Kyla, who you picking up? Jesse, who you picking up? Ash, to your right. That's your mark. Jesse, here. Kyla, to your left. Go, Katya, stay there. Kyla, to your left. Good, Gigi. Kira, drop. Jesse, stay high with Katya. Right there. That's you right there. Jess, that's your man. Go. We'll turn. Go, attack it. Go, Ash. Up, Emma. Feet. Good, look up. What do you have? Good. Again, middle. Go, Zo. Get it back. Go, G. Follow. Keep going. Kyla, drop.
Good ball.
Kyla, drop.
Where's her help? Gia, shift.
Kyla, when we don't have the ball, it's you and Ashley. Automatic. Drop. Go, Kyla, go! Go, Zo! Hey! Drop. Gigi, that's your man. Put a body, G.
Gabby.
Good, Gigi.
Go to those balls.
Hit it, Kira.
Good.
Emma, track where it's
Gia,
going
let's
and
go. Higher.
clean it up. Drop Ash, drop
In,
Kyla.
Gia, in.
Drop Isabel. No bounce. Ash. Good. Forward. Go, Gigi.
I hate it. Law, make the run higher.
Isabel,
Don't
let's
drop
see.
back. We're trying to break that line.
Here, Emma, left foot. Go, Isabel. Step, Isabel. Now, keep your one.
Gabby,
Isabel.
be an option!
Good coverage.
Good, Ashlyn. Good, Ashlyn. Like this. Drop back. When it goes to that.
Option Isabel. Keep the ball. Starting spot. Right, stay high. Emma, go to the side. Emma. To the side. Asher, get higher. Get in between lines. Kay, higher. Check Ash. Emma, you have Ashley. Okay, Isabel. Vamos, Haley, vamos. Go. Soso, sé Katia now. Down the line. Uno contra uno, lleva. Go. Está bien, esa es la pelota, un poquito más. Pronto. Drop. Soso, drop. Isabel. Drop the line. Hey, back. Hey, back. That's the mark. In front. Keep it. Katia, down the line. Take that. Gigi, look at Katia down the left line. Katia, a la izquierda. Gigi was to the left, down the line. Gigi, look for the space. Where there's space for her to run in. Again, Zozo. Isabel, tuck in. Zozo, drop. Katia, quédate arriba. You gotta start combining better. Stop. Zozo, stay. Now read it. Go, Haley.
On your back, check your shoulders.
Kay, wide. Good, Kay. Isabel, drop. That's Zozo's man. Haley, behind you. Go, Kyla, go. Step, Haley, step. Go, Zozo, hook. Good, Zozo, take it. Go, hard, hard. Go, now. Good. Excellent, Isabel. Vale, Katia, go, go, Zozo, run. Katia. Katia, tiene a Zozo ahí. Stop, Zozo. Haley, cuando la baje, venga, ya, dale. Hard work.
Gabby, don't move the drop in so much. I know you do that. We're trying to get you forward, right? Look how you can break the line. Separate yourself from them.
Go, go, Kyla. Gigi! Kayla, turn!
Hey! Grace! Behind you! You know where they're going.
Gatos! Go right now.
Gabby, you're playing with your back to the goal and your teammates. Not the time. You're looking at them, you're looking at the goal. You're looking at the goal, right? So make sure you're coming, I'm side on.
Kayla!
Try to get forward. You're dropping in too much. Hey, they're playing with sweeper in the back. So make sure you push towards her.
Hey, hey! Dribble!
If anything, start a little further back. And then make it forward. If you get it, you break the line. To get the ball and go. I want you to start right.
Check, Kayla, check!
Let if anything, engage the defender. Let your team.
Kayla, you gotta check sooner there.
You're trying to create space for yourself.
We need to position ourselves in context of your center backs, okay? So if your center backs are pushing on, you need to push on with them because you're keeping
Tozo,
them
drop a
on
little
track.
bit.
Does that make sense? So push on and drop and position yourself in context of what they're doing, okay?
Así, cuando la tienen acá, corre. Atrás de la espalda de los defensas para los lados. Si está en medio, chequea la pelota. Quédate en medio de los dos centrales. Tozo, we don't have it. Drop. The middle zone. Gigi, Emma. Emma. Marina, something to the middle right now. Go right. Go ahead. That's you right now. Slide, Emma. Slide, Gigi. Slide, Kira. Go, Haley. That's you, Ash.
Not take it. It's either I go or that's it.
Go, Reina. Go, Reina. Left foot. Down the line, Zoe. Down the line, Zoe. Ash. Kira, higher. To the middle. That's you, G.
Go,
Easy,
turn!
Emma. Now, Emma, back. One more step back. Go, Gigi. Gigi! Gigi, go on.
Eklam, you ready?
Gigi. Don't make a mistake.
Gabby,
Walk.
if you're 1v1, don't take your time. Your first touch is positive and go. Not receiving back to goals that we said before. You did it again. Time and space slowed down. You got numbers on you. Jeff, how do we press?
Emma. Patient. Ashley. Stay high.
Let her go. It's not going to drop.
Go ahead.
Your drop.
Hayla, go on.
If it plays to the right-hand side, then we all shift. See how she's trying to move herself? Let her move in that gap between
Emma.
you. We can close her down.
Lulu.
Char!
Ashley.
Char!
On the ground.
Step in. Remember, not arms.
Tuck in. Zozo, you don't have the ball. Reina.
Aggressive!
That's you, Hart. Hey! Ashton has the ball. We got to show for her. We cannot make runs. Understand? We got to drop and show. Gigi, that's yours. Harper, G. Ashlyn, drop off. Give her an angle. Ashlyn, turn. Good. Excellent. That's what I'm looking for. Up. Oh, Lulu. Oh, oh. Ah, vamos, Katia. Go. Good, Heidi. Good. Katia. Entra. Go, go, go. Ash. Wide. Wide. Katia. Go. Go to goal, Gigi. Katia, rebote. Go to goal. Hard.
Tight with her.
Go. Katia, más rápido. Little touches. Métete más de juego.
In general, you're a leader back there, and that's what you should talk.
Up. Up. Gigi, Emma, up. Baby, that's why I said up. Now. Harper! Take a touch. It's going to be a little pass. Go, go. Up, right now. Up.
Ashton, remember at that height, it's
No.
stomach, push it forward, go drop, you have to shot.
Stop panicking. Ashlyn, you got Gigi.
Good, Whit. It's all right.
Louie.
Whit, I don't mind you being brave, but a little touch to set it, and then we take our shot.
Gigi, she's wide open, wide. Reina,
Ashlyn,
we're just
behind
kicking
her.
it to kick it. Long. No, quédate. Now,
Good, Ash. Good, Ash.
Soso, take it now.
Quickly,
Dale,
quickly.
dale.
Watch out, watch
La
out,
larga.
watch out. Get in front, hit it.
Dale, fuera, dale. Dale. Go, right, right.
Tight, don't give her space. She wants the space.
Now. Reina, hard. Reina, box. Get in the box. Ah. Outside the 18. Right up. Behind. Zero. In front. Attack it! Zero. Zero. In front. Attack it! Next one. Next one. Up, up, up. Keep it! Haley, keep it! Go, 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 go. Easy, easy, relax. Easy. Same feet, so middle. Garage. Garage. Go, go, Tyler. Take it. Garage. Okay, Rita. Go. Up. Lulu. Ashley. Kira, you have Ashley. Hey. Cambia.
Top left.
Hey. Jesse, connect. Connect. Defense. Emma. Move. Over. Got it. Isabel, now, hold it. Isabel, right, right now.
Good, Jeffy.
Isabel, get it, go. Just put it, Isabel. Ah! Connect. Control it and relax. Defense. Go ahead. Defense. Defense. Now, through ball. Shoot, Ron. Reina, go.